And viewers, we have more breaking news coming in the West Bengal law student gang rape case. The BJP chief and union minister Sukanta Majumdar has been released from the Lal Bazar jail after he was detained for protesting against TMC over the Kolkata rape case. Remember, he was among some of the BJP leaders who were arrested yesterday, who were detained by the Kolkata police while leading a protest against the gang rape incident at the South College Law College in Kolkata. And this was part of the BJP's statewide demonstrations, and they are demanding justice for the victim and criticizing the TMC Mamata Banerjee government for its failure to ensure safety for women in the state. And Majumdar had refused to sign a bail bond when offered by the police, and he chose instead to stay at the Lal Bazar police headquarters. And this morning he was released.
ये प्रोटेस्ट करने पर हमें जिस तरीके से गिरफ्तार किया गया, उसके बाद पुलिस हमें छोड़ने के लिए बोली थे बेल बॉन्ड पे साइन करके। हमने इसका विरोध किया और पूरी रात लाल बाजार में हमने बिना साइन किए हमने रात वहाँ पे रहा, और हमारे साथ 32 कार्यकर्ता भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, वो भी पूरी रात लाल बाजार में रहे। और जब सरकार सोती है, जब पुलिस सोती है, तब किसी ना किसी को जागना पड़ता है। तो जगने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने शुरू किया है। हमारा निवेदन है पश्चिम बंगाल के माँ बहनों से, पश्चिम बंगाल की आम नागरिक से, हम पूरी रात ऐसे ही जागने की ज़रूरत आ पड़ी है बंगाल को बचाने के लिए।
All right, so despite being detained, Majumdar remains resolute in his determination to fight for justice. As he mentioned that he said that he refused the bail bond which was offered by the police, and he chose instead to stay at the Lal Bazar police headquarters. And he said the BJP was committed to exposing the wrongdoings of the Trinamool Congress government. And earlier, remember, several BJP leaders, workers were detained by the police as they were protesting at Lal Bazar against the gang rape incident that happened at the South Calcutta Law College. And the BJP is also questioning the links between the main accused in the gang rape and the top TMC leaders, and demanded the resignation of Mamata Banerjee in the case. All right, right now we are joined in by Mr. Bhaskar from the Law College in Kolkata. Mr. Bhaskar, very good afternoon.